Hello, everyone. Welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. Let's go, Brian Sell. So, what a day. Let's go. Let's check it out how the day was, right? We were at pre-market. We had like $5.20, folks. We opened up at $5.40 and we went low of $5.22. Once we came up here at $5.22, in half an hour before the market closed, we started rallying up and went higher for the day of $5.60. We had this resistance, broke out resistance, now it's acting as a support, and we're about to test that $5.69, right? And we came close, $5.68, but we got rejected in after hours, and we're still trading. We're up by for the day was 4.55%, right? What are we looking at moving forward, right? I'm going to talk about some more technical analysis throughout the video and some very important news. Is the upcoming earnings reported date is June 29, right? That's in about 5 days coming through, right? So that's something we need to look at out because it usually raises the price up before like a week before when it starts coming in. Don't forget we have about 14,330,000 outstanding shares. Last earnings was in March, and where we had minus 0.30 EPS, right? Following the EPS stock went up to 6.5%, right? So you might see an uptrend a little bit, and then depends how the market dictates, and we'll see where it's going to end up, right? You can see right now for 5 days moving forward, you'll see some movement upwards, and during the earnings, you might see some the price drops for a little bit, but nothing to be concerned about, right? Let's talk about the technical analysis and where we at, right? Where we at. So, focusing on our key levels, right? Year to date, we are failing on this 6 all the way, right? We talked about this $5.01, we broke off, right? One very more important thing, folks, before I'm gonna go, this is the moving average you guys see is the 60 days below the 200-day. We need this thing to cross over. Once this 60-day cross over the 200-day moving average, everything is lined for a bull pattern, right? Right now it's coming closer and closer to break out. MACD on year to date, we still had the sell-off from high up here. $7 came all the way to 5. Still setting pressure. RSI looks good. I'm going to go back to our 6 month so for a better understanding. So on the 6 month chart, the pink line is the 200-day moving average. Yellow line is the 60-day moving average, and the blue is the 20-day moving average. So if I zoomed it out, we are finally on the 6 months that we are trading below our 60-day moving average. That is $5.42, folks. So this $5.41 is going to act as a huge support moving forward, and that's why I am looking as a reversal of an uptrend. The next we're gonna look at is $5.69. We came close on the after hours today at $5.68. Got rejected, and then we have to wait and see. Earnings coming up. So we need to we're gonna see how the uptrend looks like. Once we break it out, we'll be coming close to $7 to $8 to test our new resistance to check it to break it out. MACD, like we have been a continuous sell-off, right, from all the way up here to $9, right? From $9, as soon as we had been selling pressure, then we were dying down, and once we had this spike, we went all the way from 545 all the way up high about $7.58, right? Now we came back and tested this buying zone. Like I mentioned in my previous one, folks, this is the loading zone. Anytime close over here to $5 level, it is all the loading zone where the buyers are waiting to get in, right? We closed today, like previously we closed at 528. Today we closed at $5.52. A MACD is finally greening and the greener bars, right? Once we have these greener bars, it's all lining for an uptrend, right? RSI is 52. We have a lot of room left to go for the uptrend, right? And this is coming out, so we will see a constant move on that, right? Volume was not over a million, right? That's something we need to watch it out moving forward, right? Volume is gonna pick up closer to the earnings on stuff. Like we might see from 10 to 15 volume, right? So that's something we need to keep because volume predicts price, and we'll see a uptrend, right? Right now, if I zoomed it out, we have some sort of uptrend all the way from high of $5 up to this $5.42. So we're creating some sort of highs, creating up high right now, but it's just the volume is not there yet, right? The market cap is 41 million, around 41 million, right? Average volume we're looking at is about 4 million, right? That's the average volume that we are always bound to look at. It's something you need to keep an eye moving forward, because once we have the huge volume then kicks in, we need to look at it, right? I know I said in the earnings about 10 to 15, which is potential. On the previous earnings we were around about 11, about 12.5 million. We're in a close to earnings because on the earnings usually the volume picks up, right? So what are the EPS that I'm looking at, right? EPS on March 30th was the minus 0.30. Folks, that's a huge number. They need to trim it down. We need to come into 15, like 0.15, 0.17, somewhere around there for an uptrend, because that's not a good sign for the overall the operating cost of the company, right? That's something we need to feel focus on that, right? Well, we are focusing as investors, but that's something the company needs to look at it, right? We know what's in the pipeline coming up, right? In the earnings, we'll have to see what are the stages, what stages they have completed, where they're at, and what are the expected dates on the release on the each recovery pipeline disease they have been working on, right? So that's something we need to be really focusing on the earnings call. I'm going to do a quick update video when the time close to the earnings and break down on their financial also. So stay tuned on that. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, so you definitely don't want to miss out the before the earning recap, what I'm expecting, everybody's looking at it, and what are the potential for the moving forward for the trading days, how the stock is going to react, right? So please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, so you guys are tuned in once the video gets released, right? So moving forward for next 3 days, we are looking at breakout at $5.60, then $6.02, right? Then $6.27. That's the room I'm looking to break out, folks. By Friday, I very confident. Yes, I was thinking about the thing, but I'm very confident we'll be coming around close to $6, right? $6 or even higher based on the earnings coming up, the updates on the disease on the lung cancer very soon coming up. So that's something we need to focus and keep an eye on that, because the earnings it's on 29, folks. The earnings is on 29. I don't know it's before or after. I'm gonna update that on my previous and the next video coming up very soon, on the breakdown on the earnings looking at, and also a breakdown on pipeline, what product and what disease stages that we at on that. So stay tuned on Brian Sell. It's a very important week coming ahead for us, right? Definitely an uptrend right now. So before I go, folks, keep an eye on the two key levels. $5 one is a support, and $5.41. So I'm gonna mark it as leave as a support for now, and then $5.69. We came at $5.68. We got it rejected. So something we need to keep an eye on moving forward, right? MACD's all uptrend, RSI all showing a bull pattern right now. So we just need to be staying focused and see how the buyer steps in on that. Well, folks, that's all I have for today. Just want to do a quick update where we on the earnings coming up, the key technical analysis. Hope you guys liked it. Please comment down below if you guys have any questions or anything on for me to improve on, or if I missed something, I love to improve on that. And also, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Appreciate it, and have a good day.